Hey there! If you're looking into crypto banking, you've probably come across Bitwala. They're known for their all-in-one platform for managing Bitcoin and euros. A question that pops up a lot is whether they've ever had a sign-up bonus. It's a smart question. Who doesn't like a little extra something for joining a new service, right? We did a deep dive into Bitwala's history to see what we could find. It turns out, yes, they have offered sign-up bonuses in the past. This isn't a continuous thing, though. Their promotions have often been tied to specific campaigns or milestones. For example, during their rebrand from Bitwala to Nuggs, they ran some pretty significant offers to encourage new users to join the platform. These bonuses weren't always a straight cash payout. Sometimes they were paid in Bitcoin directly, or even through referral programs where both the referrer and the new user received a reward. The exact amount and type of bonus have varied over time. It's important to note that these promotions are typically time-sensitive. They don't just stay active forever. So, if you hear about a sign-up bonus for Bitwala or any other service, it's a good idea to check the terms and conditions and the expiration date. So, while there isn't a sign-up bonus running all the time, they have a history of offering them. Keep an eye on their official website and social media channels. That's usually the best place to get the most current information. And of course, always do your own research before signing up for any financial service. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.